Difference between soluble salt, double charge and PGVT or polished glazed vitrified tiles. Hi, this is Anand Agarwal, founder of the Tile Store Vanagram, Chennai. The majority of customers keep asking me this question: what is the difference between a soluble salt, double charge and a PGVT tile, popularly called digital tiles? So the first difference obviously is the price. The price of all these variants are different. Soluble salts come in the range of 40 to 45 rupees per square feet, and double charge comes in the range of 45 to 55 rupees per square feet, and digital tiles come in the range of 55 to 65 and goes upwards. So the difference is in the manufacturing of these three products. Soluble salt basically is a layer. So what happens is when and the designs are created by a chemical which is soluble. That is why this name is called soluble salt tiles. So what happens is because of that layer, there are patterns created, but the patterns are again limited, and the design is not penetrate deep inside the tile. It's just on the surface. So that is why soluble salt is on a lower segment, and the life of the tiles is not that great, and it should not be used in high traffic areas. The second product is the double charge. The double charge tiles basically are a sandwich tiles where there's a bottom layer and the top layer. The top layer is almost 2 to 3 mm thick, and all the manufacturers produce decent amount of double charge tiles because the life is good, and also because of the top layer you can create a few more different designs, few more different like variation on the tile to give a different look to your house or your office. And this tile can be used in high traffic areas, and literally it is less like it's scratch resistant, and the glossiness is also good. The third variant, which is called PGVT tiles or digital flow tiles, is now gaining popular, and it has been like last 3-4 years. This has been one of the most recommended or most used product in the entire spectrum of tiles. So what happens in digital tiles is there's a bottom layer, and top of it there is a print. It's a digital print where the designs are created, and on top of it there's again one polish is done. So what happens is because of the print you can get unlimited designs, which is the specialty of this product. And the price is little high because the technology is new, but you can get marble finish on top of it, you can get granite finish on top of it, you want wooden finish on top of it, you can get it, you want stone finishes, the choice is unlimited. Preferably today's home segment, lot of people are buying PGVT tile or digital flow tiles, and because the usage is less, it is good, but avoid it using it in high traffic areas because it might lose the top layer very soon, and there are scratches visible after few years of usage. Hope this video is informative and it's worth listening to. This is Anand Agarwal, founder of the Tile Store Vanagram, Chennai. For any of your tile requirement or any clarification of doubts regarding tiles, you can always comment and I will be there to respond to it. Hope this video is okay, and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.